What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to take a look at Cardano ADA. Currently sitting at 24 cents, up 0.67 on the day. See market cap 8.62 billion. 24-hour volume 113 million. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So potential 1-2 if we bounce from this zone. We're currently consolidating. There was a bullish divergence on the hourly. Let me look at the 4-hour. See how we look on the 4-hour. Create a lower low. Yeah, a little bullish divergence on the 4-hour as well. So if we can get a reaction, especially if we can come up and break this bullish confirmation, you can also see that we have a double bottom pattern. So if we can come up and break that ascending triangle, that could lead to a breakout and definitely a potential trade. A signal will be given in the Discord. If we end up creating a lower low, it is what it is. We didn't take a trade, so no harm done. But right now, potential 1-2. Weekly chart, as I've been mentioning, nice bullish divergence on the money flow on the RSI. We have this falling wedge. I would wait for it to break because until then, we can come down to the support of the wedge, which is all the way down at 20 cents. So once it starts to break and we can break that bullish confirmation, we could look for a trade. Otherwise, we create a lower low and your next level of support. Wow, look at this, guys. This is all the way back in 2020 would be your next. Let me grab see where some support would be. Let's say right here. That's at about 18, 19, 20 cents, which lines up with the support of that wedge is your next support. On the chart here for ADA, see some resistance here, and then all the way down at about 7 cents. Now, I think we'll get a reaction before then, but if we do end up breaking this low here at about 0.23, it invalidates that as a 1-2, and then potentially could fill that wick, which is all the way down here at 23 cents. But if we can get that reaction, we break the bullish confirmation, that's when we'll start to look for that trade. We start to see that breakout of this downsloping resistance. Let me put it onto the daily chart. And let me just make sure it's right on point here. That's why trend lines can be a little bit inaccurate at times. So if we can start to break above 24 cents, start to get up to about 26, 27 cents. Yeah, 25 cents is that bullish confirmation. So if we were to come up and break that, then that's when I would look to enter my trade. Otherwise, we'll just have to wait to see if it plays out if we end up breaking lower. But we do have those bullish divergences. So we'll see if that leads to a bounce for ADA. All right, gang, just a quick update. If I do take that trade signal, will be given in the Discord. I just dropped a trade signal for one of our pairs. It's only $10 per month, over 2,000 members. If you want a 14-day free trial, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders. Looking for an exchange, you can check out my full length tutorial at the end of the video. And my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. You deposit $1,000, you can get $200. Just email me or sign up email. And 14-day free trial. Otherwise, $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. You really can't beat it. You spend $10 every day. Daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups. Just dropped the setup for one of our pairs. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. We're trading Forex. We're trading crypto for the same price as a meal, as a lunch, $10. I mean, not in the West. If you get a lunch, at least $20. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.